Now we are on the way to a waterfall. What is the name of the waterfall? Oh, actually we are on the way to Pai. We are in the mountains here in Northern Thailand. But we saw some sign to a waterfall and we decided to have a look at this waterfall first. This is the street we came down. We parked our bike over there and now we are on the way to the Mork Fa Waterfall. Lovely story. How many times in Thailand you're always blessed with some racist you experience from the government. Like as a foreigner you pay 5 times more entrance than for the local people. That is very nice. I always appreciate it to be treated in that way. But we don't let disturb our mood from racism. It should be like they said 250 meters, the waterfall should be there. And I'm happy. I'm looking forward taking a swim. ตื่นเต้นไหม
ตื่นเต้นมาก
ตื่นเต้นมากชอบน้ำตกไหม
ชอบ
ชอบน้ำตก mean do you like waterfalls? Because my body does not like visiting temples, but she likes to visit waterfalls. Looks nice here already. Actually, we are on the way to Pai from Chiang Mai, and just when we were driving outside on the road, we saw the sign waterfall, and that's why we decided maybe to come here, take a swim. Alcohol not allowed, that's good. To take a swim, enjoying the time a little bit. That's why always in Thailand, if you travel around, the journey should be actually the purpose. So now you can see this huge waterfall falling down here. I hope they didn't rip me off for that here. Maybe you look at this video and you're laughing, but I was one time in a national park. They ripped me even more off. There I paid 10 times more as a foreigner, not only 5 times, for also a waterfall. And it was not like this, it was a little bit like half a meter or 70 centimeters. That was like we would call it stairs in German actually, what they called waterfall. We would never call it waterfall at all. So no, hopefully this wasn't it.
Can you go in the water?
Hi guys. But it's a lovely groove to walk this way here. Looks nice. Have you seen the face from the guys coming along? They don't look happy. I hope they don't look so disappointed, because the waterfall is this big disappointment. It's not? No. It's nice? It's beautiful. Oh, thank you. What a good answer. It should be beautiful. So why the guys were looking so disappointed when they come from a beautiful waterfall? Wow, that looks so nice. I really love this jungle feeling. I hope the camera can capture it a little bit, this jungle feeling. It's awesome here, these banana trees. Here the big tree, I don't know, I think it's a Mai Yang. That big tree here, that's huge. That's a really nice walk inside here. Authentic impression. I don't know what to say. I don't know if you see it even here. It is a waterfall, it's quite high, but it does not look breathtaking in some way. But maybe it's better when we're near, then from far it looks very away. Stay away from a riverbank. It all looks nice. In Austria you have plenty places of this for free. If someone wants to visit Austria. So Thailand has also, no, you don't have this real jungle feeling sometimes. It's more, a little bit more jungle than, or the jungle is different than the Austrian jungle. Let's put it in that way. Yeah, now as we come closer, it looks better. It looks funnier, yes, cool. So, natural, nature, clothes changing place. So that's how it looks like, the water fountain. ที่นู้นก็ได้ที่นี่ก็ได้อะไรนะ
มีปลาไหม
ปลาแปลว่าอะไร Fish. So now we are here directly at this beautiful waterfall. Like when we came from there and I saw it the first time, it looked so small. But now, as we are here, it looks quite okay. I think I'm happy taking a swim here, having a nice time and enjoying, like the kids. They enjoy it here. It looks really quite nice here. I like this jungle feeling. How the water comes down from here, from the near, it looks really beautiful. Wow. Nice and fresh. Ah. It's awesome. The pressure under the waterfall is quite high. I really love wood like this. Look at that. Like here, that is already like stone, and then it goes over into the wood. It looks like it would be the same. And here down, that is all wood. And if I see wood like this, it's pure art to me. Look how bizarre this root of a tree looks like. I hope, can I? Yep, yeah, I can step on there. Wow. That looks really cool to me. Look at that. That's so awesome. And here the trunk from the tree. I love wood like this. That looks so pure art of the nature. Now we are here for a while. I've taken a swim already. It's really a nice groove here. It's really this kind of jungle feeling sitting here. It's very nice. It's very relaxing and replenishing. อันนี้ชอบได้ไหมชอบอันนี้ไหมชอบอันนี้ that means in Thai, do you like it here? She likes it here. Last time I watched a video at the sticky waterfalls. I was alone without my buddy. She was mad that I didn't take her with me there. So we will still a little bit enjoy before we go back. So now we are leaving this wonderful place here. It was a nice time. It has been a nice time. Awesome. It's really replenishing some energy just on the way stopping by here, taking a swim and relax just in this nature here, relaxing a little bit. It's nice here. You pay like about $3 to get in here. It's worth, yes, for me it's just a nice break on the way to Pai. And I'm curious now, going further, the most turns of the 762 still in front of us. Now we are coming back to the parking lot. It was a nice break, it was a nice trip. สบายดีไหมไปที่นี่สบายดีไหมสบายดีค่ะ Okay สบายดี mean I liked it, I enjoyed it. So I would recommend, if you're on the way to Pai, make a stop and Rai Fa Rai Waterfall. What is the name? Mork Fa Waterfall. I would recommend, or even if you're in Chiang Mai, just come here, make a nice day trip, coming here, take a little swim, look around, stop somewhere at the coffee shop like you see probably on some videos from me. There's so much or so many lovely coffee shops here in Chiang Mai with really delicious coffee. So have a nice day so far, and we see us in the next video.